Hello everyone, today I will show you how to cancel ChatGPT subscription, and here's how it is done. This guide assumes you are currently subscribed to ChatGPT and have an active plan, which is required to access features like ChatGPT 4 and the conversation history. If you want to cancel, follow the steps. First, go to chat.openai.com and log in to your account. Once logged in, click on the button in the top right corner and select My Plan. This will show your current subscription details. If you are on the Plus plan, look for the Manage My Subscription option and click it. Next, go to your billing settings. You'll see your subscription cost along with your payment details and the renewal date, which is typically in about 3 or 4 weeks. To cancel, click the Cancel Plan button. A message will appear letting you know your plan will be canceled but still active until the end of the billing period. Once you are ready, press Cancel Plan again. You might be asked to complete a short survey. Just click through the steps and finish it. After that, you can continue using your ChatGPT Plus subscription until the end of the billing cycle. And that is everything you need to know about how to cancel ChatGPT subscription. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.